Hello there, everybody, and Build-A-Bear / Rudolph fans and subscribers. Today, I just got some very good news. My special order from eBay have just arrived. So I gathered all the characters of one of my favorite characters from Rankin Bass cartoons to get ready for this special moment. So anyways, is everyone ready? Yes, we are. Yeah, me too. Alright, that's good to hear. And what I'm gonna do is, let me just lift the cardboard box. First, let me just move over here a little bit. There we go. Let's see what's inside here. Wait, I see something. Oh my goodness. Look at that. First, what we have here is, ooh. Let me just get Clarice out of the bag. And wow. Look at that size on this Clarice. And wow, look at that. The heart still works. Thinking that the batteries are very good. Yeah. This one's a lot bigger than the other ones over here. Looks very well done. This Clarice got the gold bow, like usual. It also got the stitching right here on the details. Let me just get a closer look view. Hold on. There we go. Sorry about that. It says the original television classic, 1964 to 2014. That looks really cool. So let me just put this giant Clarice over here. And let's get to the rest. Alright, there we go. And, ooh! What's this? There we go. Let me just move this box out of the way a little. There we go. Let me just move Rudolph over here. There we go. Alright, so I'm just going to toss the box out of here. So I might move this box. So it's not in the way. Alright, let's get him out of this bag. Alright, so here's... Hold on. Let me just throw the bag. There we go. And ta-da! It's a giant Rudolph. See? He is so big, so huge than the other ones over here. Let's test his red nose to see if it works. And yes, his nose lights up. How cool is that? Anyways, there's his tag. It says the same. Limited edition Rudolph, the original television classic, 50 years, still glowing, 1964 till 2014, just like the other ones, which is the regular size. Alright, it's got the same stitching right here. Ooh, nice shot of Rudolph, isn't it? Very cool. So let me just put them over here. And Clarice over here. And now I have these giant ones over here to add for my Build-A-Bear collection. So yeah. So anyways, everybody on YouTube and subscribers, what do you think about this special edition, limited edition, super rare, hard to find, Build-A-Bear 50th anniversary giant Clarice and Rudolph? I think it's really cool. So I finally got the most rare and one of the most very hard to find toys in the entire Build-A-Bear Rudolph line collection. So yeah. So anyways, thank you for watching this video of the unboxing video and review. So in my opinion, for these two giant ones over here, they look great. Fantastic. And I'm glad that it still works. So yeah. And what I'm going to do with these ones over here, and so does the other ones over here, I will put them on display as a Christmas decoration and to remind as a memory of collecting. So anyways, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up, and I'll do my best to show some very cool topics on each videos. Anyways, yeah. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon.